Hello everyone. I'm going to show you another way of creating a picture gallery for your Brightspace page. If you saw my other video, I showed you how to create my low budget do-it-yourself makeshift gallery using cells and a table. This did take a long time for me to make, and it does take a while for you to edit it. So I'm going to show you another faster way of doing that. Of creating a gallery. It doesn't look quite like a grid, but it will serve the same purpose. So you're going to go into your course admin and you're going to create a widget. From here, we're going to create widget and we will name our widget. I am going to call it the gallery of Tony, and my content is going to have my Google slide. So I created a gallery of pictures. You can insert a picture, you can insert multiple pictures, and you can add a caption. The nice thing about Google Slides is it provides you with some really nifty little templates, so you can take the legwork out of designing it yourself. Just insert the text and picture. So I have completed my gallery. There are 10 pictures. I'm sure you will have lots more. And I'm going to go to File, and I would like to publish this to the web. I would like to embed it into my Brightspace, and it's going to be the large version. I do not want it to advance, so, well, I wish that there was an auto advance. So I'm just going to say every minute, because some parents might take longer to take a look at their child's work, and just make sure that it is not restricted. And I'm going to press publish. Okay, and I'm going to copy this embed code, Control C, and I'm going to go back to my widget, and I'm going to go to add stuff. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, near enter embed code, Control V, and I do know that my screen does not allow for 1,000, over 1,000. So I'm just going to make this a little smaller for 900. And I'm going to make my height around 800. There we go. I'm going to press next. It will be very large. There you go. I'm going to insert, and I'm just going to center it on the page, just because I like to have it centered. And I'm going to press save and close. Now the widget has been made, but this widget hasn't been placed into my homepage. So I'm going to go over to home pages. I'm going to replace the do-it-yourself widget I had before. Scroll all the way down, and it has my do-it-yourself photo gallery. I'm going to take that out, and instead I will add my new custom widget, which was my gallery of Tony. There it is. Add, and save and close. So now on my homepage, at the very bottom, there should be a nice little Google slide. So your gallery will not look like the grid style that you're used to, like the other one was, but it still allows your parents and students to flip through the Google slide. Gallery of Tony. Oops, where is my gallery of Tony? Let's take a look. It should be there. He might be too big, actually. He wasn't added. Let's just check my code. There is no code, so I'm just going to paste that in there. Not sure why it didn't save. Maybe I didn't press save. Here we go. Press save. And there we go. Save and close. Let's go back. That's why it's always good to check. And it should be at the very bottom. Now I didn't adjust the width, so it may hang over. So you might have to scroll to the side in order to see the pictures. But you can go back into the HTML and you can edit that yourself. There we go. So yep, I have to scroll to the side to see it. So I do not like that. So I'm going to go in, edit this widget, and I'm going to just change my HTML code. So the way to do that is you find the brackets, and I'm going to change that back to 900 by 800. I'm going to say save. There we go. Save and close. And then you go back home. So sorry about that. And after it's done loading, your parents should be able to flip through and see all the pictures after it's done loading. So hopefully that's a nice workaround for you, so that you can have your own little gallery. So there we go. That's kind of annoying the way it jumps up there. So if I wanted to, I would, if I didn't want it that high, I would probably change the height to around 400. I would do half. Actually, 5. 5 should be fine. Here we go. Just check. Looks good. Save and close. Go back home. And hopefully that helps. So it probably jumps around because the page is just too long and it's bringing you back up. So that is the easier way of creating a gallery if you didn't want to do all the legwork to create all those cells in the grid. Here we go. There, now it doesn't jump. Ta-da! Okay, that's enough of Tony, and good luck.